While lately we've been wrapping a lot of Cybertrucks using different shades of black or white, it is quite refreshing to go ahead and do a fun color. Check out Inozetek Metallic Vampire Red. This is kind of new for us. I have not wrapped a truck in this color yet in Los Angeles. Our Atlanta service center has. It's really refreshing. It's really special. It reminds me a lot about Tesla's Uber Red, Ultra Reds, Signature Series Reds. So it really speaks to the brand, but more importantly, it actually looks really good on a Cybertruck. This color has a lot of metallic in it, so when the sun hits it, it comes alive. And in the evening or in the shade, it picks up a deeper, kind of almost like a maroon color, but it's definitely appropriately named Vampire Red. We wrapped the complete exterior, as you can see, giving this Cybertruck a whole new look, and then the customer took it one step further. After purchasing our fully forged 20-inch CT7 wheels, finished in satin black, he decided to go ahead and have us paint the brake calipers to match the Vampire Red wrap. And I love these attentions to detail. It just looks so cool. And then we went ahead and reapplied the Cybertruck letters in the Cybertruck font onto the front brake caliper. Again, another nice attention to detail. Furthering on that, Foundation Series badges have been recreated in satin black vinyl film for the front two fenders. And as we make our way to the back of the truck, you'll see that we reapplied it in the third location along with the Cyber Beast logo. So now that I've shown you the exterior, let's move on to the interior of this Cybertruck for something really special. As you all know, if you have a Foundation Series Cybertruck, you have 5 white upholstered vegan material panels inside your Cybertruck, the 4 door inserts and what we call the lower dash. But you know what? A lot of us out there feel, and I'm definitely one of them, that as much as we like white interiors and white accenting, it just isn't right for a Cybertruck. It just doesn't seem to fit the Cybertruck. So we are now offering the ability to go ahead and reupholster the 4 door panel inserts and the lower dash in your choice of any color leather, or what's most popular, black Alcantara material. This is a really nice tie-in with the headliner. Takes away that white. We do the 4 door panel inserts and the lower dash. We've also done black leather, and we also offer a variety of other colors of leather, but black Alcantara or black leather definitely seems to be the color of choice. Thank you for watching, Cybertruck fans. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so much more amazing content coming your way soon.